What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you the sleeve and Lanyard for your HERO9 Black by GoPro. The color I picked up was the blackout, listed right there, and get your limited lifetime warranty, compatible with the HERO9 Black only. And you have yourself here with the Personalize your HERO9 Black with this premium silicone sleeve. Wear your GoPro around your neck with the sleeve and lanyard, or easily remove your lanyard with the handy clip and mount your camera with the sleeve on. So that's a convenient piece right there that you can use the sleeve while it's mounted. Silicone sleeve lanyard includes, and then everything else is different languages. Let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Cut that box open real quick. Nothing else in the box there. We did get our limited lifetime warranty and plus the sleeve, and it just took a paper mache box there. And this time around they did give us a little cutout back down there, which is nice, and you do have your little releasable switcher. It's a nice feel there, and the GoPro HERO9, you just pop that right on in there and you should be good to go. Just like that. And it is like a nice neoprene feel to it. Fits on pretty snug, and you have access to your mount. Well, thanks for watching, guys. This is your GoPro HERO9 sleeve and lanyard. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.